Hey guys, today's video will be on this makeup look here. If you love this look, if you are in love with this look, then please keep watching and don't forget to click that subscribe button. Enjoy. Hey guys, I'm going to begin plucking my brows. I grabbed my tweezer. I'm not sure where exactly I got it from, but these are my best tweezers. It grabs what it needs to grab, even the really tiny hairs that are super stubborn. And yeah, I'm gonna be tweezing my brows for a while, so bear with me. I was going so hard on this part, y'all. Your girl Rihanna was playing in the background as I was recording, and I was listening to Pose in my bag. And right here, I began to wipe down my brows with a pad with alcohol on it just to clean it up again. I did this before I started tweezing my brows, but I just do it again to get rid of all those hairs that are on my face and around the area, so I can continue tweezing and plucking those tiny fine lines above my brows. I'm not really a fan of super thin brows, but I like my brows to have length, to be nice and clean and sharp looking with a nice, I don't want to say thin, but a nice look. Just very like clean and sharp, in order and tact. Now I'm going to go in with the Anastasia brow pomade using the brush that came with it. And what I'm going to do is brush my brows upward, following the natural lining of my brow, top and bottom, to really make sure that it looks natural. I also cannot stress this enough. A little bit of this product goes a long way, so you really do not need a lot, otherwise your brows will look dark, and that is not the look that I'm looking for. I like my brows to look nice, even, and full, but most importantly, natural. Now I will begin concealing my brows. I'm using two different colors because the first one was way too light. And then I'm going to go in with a natural palette by Maybelline. All the products that I am using, I will make sure to keep them listed in the description box below. All the products that I'm using, they are affordable, which you can get from your local hair store or Walgreens or Walmart. Wave check, y'all. Your girl is all done and looking good. Now I'm about to go in with my Wet n Wild bronzer, which I love so very much because this will give you a nice, glowing, natural look. Hey guys, thank you for watching my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this lovely natural glam, whatever you want to call it. I'm not really a makeup person. I just did what felt right and what I thought looked best on me. Yeah, I hope you guys loved it. I had so much fun, although I messed up the under eye part. I don't know if you guys caught it, but I messed up, but it's fine because the makeup look came out great. And if you're looking forward to seeing more content from me, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel and be a part of the Ray of Sunshine family. Peace, guys.